and welcome back to the channel. Welcome today. Shan, today how much? Today how much? 20. Welcome to day 20 of Vlogmas. Yes guys, so I know it's been a while. It has been a long while, way too long. But I'm back. I'm gonna get my eyelashes done today and do some shopping and do some other stuff. So I'll take you guys along, video as much as I can video. By the way guys, I got the camera and I'm telling you I am so upset, but then you know I have no space to be upset because the camera did cheap. Am my fault? Can't blame anybody but myself. So yeah, look at sister and hi sister. Sister, hey. Yes guys, so yeah, this is the sit.
Moscow,
Hi. I got short Miss Smith, so yeah, you're not behave yourself.
Tap the life on
You behave yourself? Nyla. Nyla. Come on. I joke me like, yeah? Hi Nyla. How you doing, sweetie?
No.
What am I looking at now? You're playing game? Cute. See hat here. Put it right here, so.
Hat.
No. No. Over there.
Horse.
Good girl. You must know which way to put that now. Put that one where it's supposed to go.
House.
Good girl. Clap yourself. Clap yourself up. Yay. Just show them out. Hey guys, so I just got my lashes done. So for the first time, and I have fake eyelashes. Yeah.
Say hi, mommy. Yeah, say hi, mommy.
We too professional then. Hey guys, we are at the tree lighting ceremony. They don't see us.
Everyone check 1 2. Checking the clarity. Sound 1 2.
Yes guys, it's not started, but
1 2.
on its way, on its way.
Praise the Lord. Rain,
Oh, wonderful child, Jesus, Jesus, so lonely, meek and mild, and life you hope to joy he brings, for to listen to the angels sing, glory, glory, glory to that was so dear, Noel, 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 born is a constant, all is child. I wanna hear the story. I really wanna hear the story of him who died. Tell me the story of Jesus, Jesus, right on my heart, every word, every word. Glorify our God. Hallelujah, hallelujah. But these are the days when it's watered down. We're too comfortable. Nobody can get up again. Hallelujah, somebody. Oh, glory to God. But I want us to realize that Jesus Christ is here. Amen, somebody. And we must celebrate him. Hallelujah. We must have the world know that we are proud of him. Hallelujah. He come to seek and to save that which was lost. He come to save his people from their sins. His name is called Wonderful Counselor. Oh, glory to God. Mighty God. God, the everlasting Father. He is a Prince of Peace tonight. Hallelujah to God. Hallelujah to God. Hallelujah.
Bishop, my friend here from Seven Ground, other members of the clergy, my brother, where's the fiery sister? She gone? Pastor Thomas, greetings my dear sister. I want you to pray more for Jamaica. Pray for the people of Jamaica. Councillor Connor, other members of the clergy, citizens, business people, operators behind me who give us the light each year for the tree. All boys and girls, everyone, good night. Good night. Good night, my friends. Good night. Okay. I would like you to make some way, Councillor, for all the kids, the little kids to come because we light the tree with them. Come around this side. 1,
2, 3. Somebody say praise the Lord. So we say hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip.
Of my heart, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, yo soy la felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hey guys, so it is later on in the night. I'm gonna head to bed, so I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Sorry for the delays of the videos. There's no internet in my area, some technical difficulties with the lines and all that. I'm sorry guys, I'm so sorry. So I just want to thank you guys for being patient with me. Thanks for watching the videos, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Have a blessed one. Bye.
Merry little Christmas.